Hello, this is Katie Jo with The Soil Bar. You can check us out at The Soil Bar on Etsy. We specialize in custom soil blends for every type of houseplant there is. And we also have some fun other planty things like cuttings and handmade concrete pots and everything else. But today I just wanted to talk about something that is interesting and kind of fun to learn about, and that is soilless media. So, like traditional soil that has organic components in it, we've got soilless media, and also this is hydroponics or a semi-hydroponic system. So I wanted to show you guys what LECA is. So LECA is expanded clay. They are little clay balls that are processed through a heating process that causes them to expand, and then they can be used to plant up your plants. And this is technically referred to as semi-hydroponics. But what you do is you will just take your plant, and you can actually see through here, near the roots, to transfer it from a system that has dirt in it to one without, like this. You're just going to gently tip your pot upside down, take your plant out, and then gently rinse off the roots until that you only see hopefully their nice root structure that's nice and white like this. And then you're going to take your expanded clay and make sure when it arrives to you, we do sell this at the Soil Bar on Etsy, make sure that you wash it off first, because it is going to be a little dusty, and you don't want that dust clogging and making your pot all ruddy, and then also clogging up the roots of your plant. So what you do is, after you rinse them, so you just pour it in and set your lovely house plant in there. And then I pour about that much of water in and let that soak for a day or two. And then I will dump it out. You never just want to leave the same water in there, and you don't want these roots just constantly sitting in water either. These do hold some water. They do retain a little bit, but not a lot. So you do need to keep an eye on your plants. But this is a great way to have your houseplants indoors, and you're going to reduce your risk of having pests that you're going to find when you have an organic compound here, or organic things like that have soil in it, which means that pests are going to want to hang out in here as well. So you basically are eliminating that problem when you are just potting things up in inorganic media. So another fun thing about this that I personally love is displaying my plants then with the LECA in glass. It just looks so pretty. It's just a really interesting and fun way to display your house plants. And you can see in this pot here, it's actually very tall, but what I did is, instead of filling it all the way to the top with LECA, I actually started the plant down here inside the vase, and because it's glass, it's still able to get plenty of sunlight and be exposed to that. And I just repotted this one yesterday. This is actually a corkscrew rush, and it is a pond plant. So this was in some pretty pondy, muddy, ruddy soil, but I was still able to get it all cleaned up, took it out of its little pond pot, put it in the LECA, and I think it just looks beautiful. So I will put a link in the description below for how you can order LECA from my shop. I'm trying to keep the price really low right now, and affordable, so that more and more people can give LECA a try. Thank you so much for watching.